Morning, folks. Mark here at the Fan Cave. 4:36 a.m., May 31st, 2017. Here's the Casablanca Panama that I did a video of before. You probably recognize it. But now I installed the fifth blade. It has a 4.5 flywheel. So, go through the test again. Just so you can see what it looks like with 5 blades. Alrighty, folks, thanks a lot for watching. Please stay tuned for more fan videos. If you could click like on this video, I'd appreciate it. And check out my other videos here on the on my YouTube page called the Fan Cave. And yeah, subscribe if you would. And feel free to check out my Facebook page, also called the Fan Cave. Thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.